Most car owners are essentially driving a ticking time bomb of repair bills, completely unaware that $10 worth of household items could prevent a $3,000 engine failure. But here's the kicker. There is one specific diagnostic secret that can make you more capable than a master technician with a $10,000 tool suite. Dealerships despise these shortcuts because they thrive on your lack of knowledge. Before you hand over another cent for routine maintenance that does nothing, let's break down the 17 elite-level car tricks that only the top 1% of high-mileage drivers actually use. If you want to keep your car out of the shop and your money in the bank, pay attention. Trick 17: Vaseline on rubber seals. We're starting with a trick that will make you rethink everything you know about cabin comfort. Have you noticed your car getting louder on the highway, or maybe there's a mysterious damp smell after it rains? Your door seals are drying out. Most drivers ignore these until they crack and leak, leading to mold and ruined upholstery. Instead of paying a dealer $400 for new weather stripping, grab a jar of petroleum jelly. Apply a thin coat to every rubber seal around your doors, trunk, and sunroof twice a year. The petroleum jelly acts as a deep conditioner, penetrating the rubber to restore the flexibility that UV rays and temperature swings destroy. It creates a perfect airtight seal that slashes wind noise and, critically, prevents your doors from freezing shut in the dead of winter. How much have you spent on silicone sprays when the solution was in your bathroom cabinet the whole time? Trick 16: Water bottle theft deterrent in wheel. This isn't just a maintenance tip, it's a survival tactic. Car thieves are getting creative, and the water bottle trick is their latest weapon. If a criminal wedges a plastic bottle between your tire and the wheel well, it creates a terrifying grinding noise the moment you start driving. Your natural instinct is to jump out and check the noise, leaving the engine running and the door open. That is exactly when they strike. Pro tip: make it a habit to glance at your wheel wells as you approach your vehicle. But here's the expert-level flip side. Professional diagnostic techs sometimes use a similar drip catch method to find pinhole leaks in your cooling system. If you find a bottle there and you didn't put it there, stay alert. You're either being targeted or your car is being monitored for a pre-existing failure. Are you checking your surroundings, or are you making yourself an easy target? Trick 15: Apply cooking spray to bumper before bug season. If you've ever spent 2 hours scrubbing dried love bugs off your bumper only to realize you've scratched your clear coat, listen up. High-end dealers have a lazy secret: common kitchen cooking spray. Before a long road trip or the peak of summer, mist a light layer of non-stick spray onto your bumper, side mirrors, and grille. The oils create a microscopic non-stick barrier. When you hit a swarm of insects, their acidic remains can't bond to the paint. When you get home, you don't need aggressive bug and tar removers that strip your wax. You just need a gentle stream of water. The bugs slide off like an egg on a Teflon pan. Why pay for expensive ceramic coatings when a $3 can of PAM achieves 80% of the result for a fraction of the cost? Trick 14: Use tire pressure from door sticker. This is the single most common mistake I see at gas stations. Drivers look at the number printed on the tire sidewall and pump it up to that. Stop doing that immediately. That number is the maximum burst pressure the tire can handle before it becomes a safety hazard. For the actual sweet spot, for your specific vehicle's weight and suspension geometry, look at the white and yellow sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. Engineers calculated this number to give you the perfect balance of fuel economy and stopping distance. If you're running at the sidewall max, you're sacrificing roughly 15% of your tire's lifespan due to center tread wear and making your suspension work twice as hard. Have you checked your door sticker lately, or are you just guessing? Trick 13: Wipe engine bay with WD-40. Your engine bay is a battlefield of heat, salt, and moisture. If you don't protect it, your bolts will seize and your plastic connectors will become brittle and snap. Here is the old-school mechanic's secret. After a light cleaning, wipe down the metal components and plastic covers with a rag dampened with WD-40. The WD stands for water displacement. By leaving a microscopic film on your engine's metal surfaces, you're preventing oxidation and rust before it starts. It also keeps plastic from drying out. Just stay away from the serpentine belt and the alternator. This 5-minute habit makes your engine look brand new and ensures that when you actually do have to perform a repair, the bolts actually turn instead of snapping off in the block. Trick 12: Apply anti-seize on lug nuts. There is nothing more helpless than being stranded on the shoulder of a highway with a flat tire and a lug nut that refuses to budge. This happens because of galvanic corrosion. The metal of the nut literally fuses to the stud. Next time you have your wheels off, apply a tiny dab of nickel or silver anti-seize to the threads. This prevents that chemical bond from ever forming. However, here's the expert warning. Never put it on the flat mating surface of the nut, only the threads, and always use a torque wrench to reach the factory spec. Over-tightening with an impact gun is the one cause of warped brake rotors. Are you torquing your wheels, or are you just ugga-duggaing them into a repair bill? Trick 11: Use clear nail polish on small paint chips. A single rock chip on your hood is an open invitation for rust to eat your car from the inside out. You don't need a body shop, you need nitrocellulose, which is the primary ingredient in clear nail polish. If you spot a chip, clean it with rubbing alcohol and dab a tiny drop of clear polish into the crater. It seals the metal from oxygen and moisture instantly. It's essentially a liquid bandage for your car. This buys you months or even years of protection until you're ready for a professional touch-up. It's the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever buy for your vehicle's resale value. Trick 10. Keep dielectric grease for battery terminals. Battery corrosion is the silent killer of alternators and starters. That white, crusty powder on your terminals creates electrical resistance, forcing your charging system to work overtime until it burns out. After you clean your terminals with baking soda and water, coat them in dielectric grease. Unlike axle grease, this is designed for electronics. It locks out moisture and oxygen, meaning corrosion physically cannot grow. It's the difference between your car starting on a -10-degree morning or clicking helplessly. Do you want to spend $6 on a tube of grease or $200 on a new battery because of a 5-cent piece of corrosion? Quick pause. If these tips are already saving you money, hit that like button. We spend weeks researching the chemistry and engineering behind these hacks so you don't have to. It really helps the channel keep these mechanic-free secrets coming. Trick 9. Clean radiator fins with water spray. Your engine breathes through the radiator. Over time, the tiny aluminum fins get packed with hair, dust, and insects, reducing your cooling efficiency by up to 30%. This makes your cooling fans run longer and your AC work harder. Every spring, take a garden hose and spray through the grill, or better yet, from the engine side out. Warning, never use a pressure washer. It will fold the fins like paper and ruin the radiator. A gentle stream of water can drop your operating temperatures significantly. If your AC feels weak at stoplights, this is usually the culprit. When was the last time you actually looked at your radiator? Trick 8. Use graphite powder for door locks. If your key is sticking or your door handle feels crunchy, do not reach for WD-40 or oil. Oil is a magnet for dust. Inside a lock cylinder, oil and dust turn into a thick, black sludge that will eventually jam the tumblers permanently. Locksmiths use dry graphite powder. It provides incredible lubrication without the sticky residue. One little puff into the keyway and your locks will operate smoother than the day the car left the factory. It's a permanent fix that costs less than a cup of coffee. Trick 7. Wrap wiper blades in cloth. If your car is going to sit for more than a week, the sun is your wiper blade's worst enemy. The weight of the wiper arm presses the thin rubber edge against the hot glass, causing it to set in a curved position. This is why wipers streak even when they look new. Slide a pair of old socks or microfiber cloths over the blades when the car is parked long-term. This breaks the contact with the glass and shields the rubber from UV degradation. You'll double the life of your wipers, saving you $60 a year. It takes 10 seconds, why wouldn't you do it? Trick 6. Use cruise control smartly. Cruise control can save you 15% on fuel, or it can destroy your gas mileage. It all depends on the terrain. On a flat highway, the computer is much smoother than your foot. But on hills, the computer is programmed to maintain speed at all costs, often forcing a dramatic downshift and high RPMs to climb a grade. The pro method: disengage cruise control as you approach a hill. Let your speed drop slightly as you climb, then regain that momentum on the way down using gravity. This pulse and glide technique is how high-mileage experts get 50+ mpg out of standard cars. Are you driving your car, or is the computer wasting your gas? Trick 5. Use dielectric grease on bulb sockets. Ever notice one headlight or tail light that seems to burn out every few months? It's rarely a bad bulb, it's usually a poor ground or moisture in the socket causing heat spikes. Apply that same dielectric grease from Trick 10 to the metal base of your light bulbs. It prevents micro-arcing and keeps the connection cool. This is a standard aviation tactic because a light failure at 30,000 feet isn't an option. Bring that same level of reliability to your daily driver and stop changing the same bulb over and over again. Trick 4. Clearing fogged windows twice as fast. Most people turn on the heater and wait. That's a mistake. Fog is just moisture in the air hitting cold glass. To get rid of it, you need to dehumidify the cabin. Turn your defrost on, crank the heat, but make sure the AC button is on. The AC compressor acts as a dehumidifier, pulling the water out of the air before it hits the glass. You'll clear your vision in 30 seconds instead of 5 minutes. It's basic physics, but most drivers think the AC is only for summer. Use it in the winter to see clearly and stay safe. Trick 3. Key fob for trunk release trick. This is a hidden feature in 90% of cars made in the last decade. If you're walking to your car with your hands full of groceries, don't put the bags down. Most fobs require a long press, 3-5 seconds, to trigger the hydraulic or spring-loaded pop. Furthermore, check the underside of your rear bumper. Many modern SUVs and sedans have a kick sensor. If the key is in your pocket, a simple swiping motion with your foot under the center of the bumper will trigger the power liftgate. It's a lifesaver that most people only discover when they read the manual 5 years too late. Have you tested your hidden trunk features yet? Trick 2. Fueling dashboard trick. We've all been there. You're in a rental car, you pull into the gas station, and you realize you have no idea which side the gas cap is on. You don't have to get out and look. Look at the fuel icon on your dashboard. There is a tiny triangular arrow next to the pump symbol. If it points left, your tank is on the driver's side. If it points right, it's on the passenger side. If your car is too old for the arrow, look at the hose of the icon. The side the handle is on usually indicates the fuel door location. It's a universal design language that 99% of people simply ignore. Trick 1. Diagnosing your car yourself technique. This is the holy grail of car ownership. When that check engine light comes on, the dealership wants $150 just to scan it. They are literally charging you $150 to plug in a cord and press a button. Go to Amazon and buy a $20 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. It's the size of a matchbox. Plug it into the port under your dash, sync it to your phone with a free app like Car Scanner or Torque, and it will tell you the exact fault code. Instead of a terrifying check engine light, you'll see code P0442, small evap leak. A quick Google search tells you that's usually just a loose gas cap. You just saved $150 on the diagnostic and potentially $500 on a repair you didn't need. Knowledge is the only thing that stops you from being a victim at the repair shop. How many of these were new to you? If you've been using one of these secret tricks to keep your high-mileage hero on the road, drop a comment and let me know. If you want to see the hidden engine flush that Japanese mechanics use to make engines last 400,000 miles, click the video on the screen right now.